MIDI controllers. It's one of those essential tools that you use for making music. It makes your life so much easier when you're making beats, melodies, just creating that new little track that you want to bring out to the world, make you famous, bring you that hard-earned cash that you can keep spending on more audio gear, because that's what we producers do at the end of the day. But say you're a beginner and you don't have a MIDI controller yet, or you're in the market looking for something new. Maybe you have something very old that's getting all beat up, broken, it doesn't properly work. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, you don't have to search any longer. I got for you what I think it's the best budget MIDI controller, and it's the Arturia Keylab 49 by Arturia. Best budget MIDI controller so far. This video is proudly not sponsored by Arturia, so this is like my actual feedback, what I actually think of the keyboard. But if you guys at Arturia see this video, want to sponsor the video, my email, you guys have it. Let's get on to the video. Why is the Keylab 49 my favorite budget keyboard? I've tried a few. I had the Native Instruments A25 keyboard, which was a fantastic keyboard at that. I had a Korg Studio workstation keyboard that I used for quite a bit, and now I have this Arturia keyboard. And why do I love this one over the rest? Well, first of all, it has a bunch of buttons, a bunch of macros, a bunch of switches and stuff that I can play around. It gives a more tactile feel to the work I'm doing when making music, so I don't have to like be clicking on my mouse, being like drag and drop and stuff. I can actually move faders, move knobs around, click buttons. It's way more intuitive. That working on music that way, it's very more intuitive workflow. It comes bundled with a bunch of great software that runs right off the bat. No need to like overcomplicate things. Just download, plug in, play. It's really awesome. It has some really good key patches in the Analog Labs. So by buying this keyboard, you get Analog Labs, which is one of the most awesome romplers, or whatever you want to call it, sample players, preset browser. It's really great, really well worth it if you guys want to have some cool presets that you can just switch around and play around. And the amount of things that you can do with this keyboard for its price, it's actually insane. And it wasn't expensive. It's cheap to buy. It's around 200 something. It's an affordable keyboard, and it's well worth it at that compared to the competition. If there's any other keyboards that you'd like to see a review of, feel free to send me a message. Maybe I can get some sponsors. Maybe I can get some people to send me some keyboards to test out. I'm gonna be making a few more reviews on content. So far, this one's a win. Definitely get it. It's well worth the price. There's nothing to complain about really. It just works. It works with FL Studio, Ableton, Pro Tools, whatever DAW you want to use it. It's MIDI. It just works, and it has some MIDI outputs if you have like synthesizers and crazy stuff. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a cheap, good, budget keyboard. That's why I think you should get it. That's why I got it, and that's why I'm recommending it. So thank you guys for watching this very short video on me talking about the Arturia Keylab's Essential 49. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down in the comment section below. I'm gonna be making more videos. Next up might be a review on some Focusrite interface. So thanks for watching. This was Soundkiller. Until next time.